Hey all dear students, let's see this question of electrostatics from Pathfinder. It's a MCQ question number 15. Question is stating due to a point charge, potential and electric field at point A are 7 volt and 3 volt per meter respectively, and electric field at a point B is less than 3 volt per meter. Now magnitude of the charge is triple. If the electric field at B becomes 3 volt per meter, the potential at B will become closest to. So let me draw the diagram for this problem. So suppose here the charge Q is placed and at a point say A here, which let me suppose is say at a distance R from Q. The potential and electric field are given to potential here is a 7 volt and electric field is 3 volt per meter. And then there is another point B, and at that point electric field is less than what is at A and less than 3. So obviously that point would be farther from Q compared to A. So suppose that point is say this is a Q, this point is B, and this distance let me assume say is R dash. And now if I increase the charge here at the same point where the charge Q was placed, if this charge is increased to 3 times, tripled, so they are saying that the electric field becomes 3 volt per meter. So now here the electric field becomes 3 volt per meter. So we have to tell what the potential at B will become. So it's simple question. So here at A, because of this charge Q, electric field was 3 volt per meter, and at B when the charge becomes 3Q, the electric field is also 3 volt per meter. So I can write EB because of charge 3Q is same as E at A because of charge Q. So EB I can write K into 3Q divide by this distance which is R dash square, and EA is KQ divide by this distance which is R square. So KQ and KQ will get cancelled from here. I can write R dash square is equal to 3R square. So R dash is equal to root 3R. And now the initial potential at A when the charge was Q. So potential at A initially was KQ by R, and that potential was 7 volt. So now when we put the charge, when we make charge 3Q and go to B, which is at a distance R dash, so potential at B will become K into 3Q divide by R dash, and this is in place of R dash I can write root 3R, so 3KQ divide by root 3R, and you can see that KQ by R is 7, so 3 by root 3 is root 3, so that will be 7 root 3, and 7 root 3 is closest to 12. So the answer would be close to 12, and that is our answer.